What's up, everybody? Chris Martinez here, the Copycat Entrepreneur, and welcome to another episode of The Art of Killing the Sale, where we follow business owner so-and-so from Nuff Services and see exactly how he kills every sale that comes his way. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't seen any of the other videos in the Art of the Killing the Sale series, make sure you click on one of the videos. It'll be somewhere up there in one of the corners up there for you to watch later after this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the bell so that way you get all the videos when they go live and you don't miss any of them. All right, well, let's get into it and see exactly how so-and-so uses WFAR. That's right, WFAR, WFAR, to kill the sale. Let's get into it.
What's wrong, so-and-so?
I just don't get it. I've done a ton of estimates this month, and no one's even called back to schedule. I know it can't be the price. Ain't nobody cheaper than me.
Well, have you tried calling them?
Yeah, you're right. I'm going to give someone a call right now. I got somebody on my list I can give a call. Gave her a quote like 3 weeks ago. Hello, Miss Johnson? Hey, this is so-and-so with Nuff Services. Hey, I gave you a quote a few weeks ago, and, well, frankly, I ain't never heard back from you. You found someone else? What do you mean you ain't never heard back from me? I ain't never heard back from you. I sat around and waited for a response.
I love that music at the end. Boom, boom, boom. That's like failure music. I literally typed in failure music and that popped up. And I said, I'm going to use that sound right there because that's exactly what it is. Failure. I was talking to an entrepreneur here not too long ago, and he was talking to me about how he can't get any sales. And we started talking about this idea of following up with the customer. And, well, to tell you the truth, he never follows up. And his idea was, well, they called me once for the service. They'll call me again when they're ready. But the truth of the matter is that your customer will not always, or your prospect will not always call you. Sometimes they're going to go with the company that followed up with them, and you'll miss the sale. So the whole point of this video is follow up with your prospects and close the sale. Don't kill it, close it. All right, guys. Again, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and we'll see you on the next video.